right, kids, we're gonna do a short video here just because this is a first for me. You would think the window van would be more common, at least when it comes to me, but it isn't. So what we have here, this would have been set up initially. It would have come as a window van. Let me give you a wipe. Me, I'm the dirty one. That's better. Okay. It would have come as a window van, which means there would have been rails of seats. This stuff here is called L-track. It's common in, all kinds of cargo applications or whatever. A little piece comes in there and grabs and is grabbed in the middle of these sections. L-track is a fairly standardized thing. This would have had, it looks like to me, a wheelchair lift built into it, which would have been built onto this side, although it has not left any remnants. Oh, you can see pieces of L-track there for the seat bases. That's basically how that works. It would have had rows of seats, probably 3, maybe 4. This grab bar arrangement looks like more airport shuttle stuff, but who knows? A lot of that stuff is custom. It's just interesting. It's interesting too, this entire plastic interior stuff is pretty nice. I'm surprised nobody's found that in a junkyard and put that in their other van, as is a actual headliner instead of nothing, instead of bare metal. That with a little insulation behind it would go a long way. It has roof vent, but not roof AC that I know of, does it? No, it's got nothing on the roof. All right, that tells me that there must be there's an auxiliary fan switches. There must be auxiliary fans behind that attic area that drive air. Yeah, those must be the intakes on the side and drives air there. Where would it get cold air? You would want air conditioning air. Don't know. Maybe I'll go in and look at the inside. Pretty cool though. Just happen to have never seen it before. Windows. It is interesting and fun to drive a window van. Let's see if we see any ducting that goes up to bring AC air into that manifold. And there's what looks like aftermarket LED roof lighting or ceiling lighting. No, I don't see any. Maybe it just didn't get that. It'd be interesting to know what's behind that panel. But that panel certainly looks to me to be factory, so it must have come like that. Upfitter box. Yes. Spit shield. Well, it wouldn't have come with that from the factory. That's home and garden stuff. Interesting. Spacious. All right, well, there you go. These are called in the industry Yoder toters because the Amish like to be loaded up in them going to wherever the Amish go. My app. Promaster phone app. Custom Promaster phone app.